Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Cinquanta Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am here just to show you guys a Printful update of some samples for two new collections. Well, not two new collections, but at least one new collection in my Coins and Connections shop. I do have on one of the shirts here. I also did a close-up of the shirt so you guys can see the quality. It is a long sleeve. It is gliding ultra cotton. But before we get into all of that information, again, this is a Printful quality update. I know a lot of people are still not sure about Printful. Know that the samples have been taking a little bit longer, but most of my products have been shipping out normal. Sometimes t-shirts have been shipping out same day if I process orders in the morning. Hats and embroidery hats and sweats embroideries have been going out pretty quick, so I have no complaints right now. To me, Printful has restored my faith in them, but I do keep my shops on 1 to 2 weeks just in case there's an issue that arises where products are shipping later. So I'd rather deliver early than deliver late. So the 1 to 2 weeks gives me a buffer in case anything goes wrong with Printful. If you are new here to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. So I'm gonna get into this video. So of course, Printful comes in these poly bags. Comes with your logo on the bag, and it basically says it's from Coins and Connections, which is something that you can set up in your back office with Printful when you first start your business. I did see something new that they did this time, which I'm super excited about, and to me it seems like a really good idea because I know Amazon merch kind of does this, or Redbubble, somebody does it. But again, it has my business name right there. I do always put a little comment here on all of my things with my shirt. So the name of this shirt is January, and this is the newest update that comes in the packages. It basically says, congratulations on your new apparel. We use a special solution in the printing process, so don't worry if you notice a slight new shirt scent or some discoloration. It will disappear after the first wash. So I did notice the discoloration, and I think it is said to anyone who use a heat press machine that, you know, sometimes that square will be on the outer edge of your shirt, but after you wash it for the first time, it will go away. So of course I have the canvas, Bella Canvas, BC 3001C, and this is the shirt. It's like an autumn color, and this is the print. Oh, sorry guys. This is the print. So I don't know if it's coming up on camera, but if you see that like little square around that, that's the discoloration that they're talking about. So I feel like the print is a little bit darker than what it should be. Basically because I have a necklace on. This is actually a picture of me that I created on my iPad. There's a necklace here and you can barely see it. So I have to make sure I get my colors right for printing so that that won't happen. So I would have to go in and change my colors. It'll probably have to be like a lighter yellow so that it can show up on the skin color. And I might have to bring the skin color down a little bit because this is not a reflection of the actual artwork. So that's the only thing I noticed. But other than that, the colors in the background look really good. And I like the quality. I love this color shirt. It's a great shirt for fall. So that's that. Of course, I have not worn it yet, and I just took it out the package. I have worn my long sleeve shirt, which is, again, like I said, it is gliding, gilded, however you say it. It's ultra cotton long sleeve in black. I created this in Canva and on the Procreate app. So the outline that you see on the picture came from me doing that in Procreate and taking the outline off of it. I did with the effects in Canva. I did the words in Canva in the crown and the splash through. Of course, I did the words in Canva as well on the shirt. And I love doing my business name on my sleeves on long sleeve shirts. So that is basically my update of Printful's quality for right now. Again, I do not have any complaints, but just know that you need to make sure, like me, that you're following their color code. You can get a shirt with all of the color codes on there, so when you're printing, the color shows up right. I've had that issue before, but again, sometimes we think this red looks good, but when it goes to be printed, it will come out a different color. So that's just due diligence that you have to do as a business owner, making sure you're using the same color and scale that they'll use to print. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this Printful update, and as always, if you want to join Printful, check out my affiliate link down below in the description box. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.